North Europe, Norway, Middle Europe, Germany, South, Spain, Italy, and Ireland on the west side. It's quite a big project, as you may see, also because we have 5 pilots involved from quite different industries, and we will talk about that later. Sorry, just changing. Yeah, so the objectives of the project, we want to develop solutions that will be adopted by the industries. We aimed, and what we are doing, developing digital twins of the processes involved and test them. Around energy, we want to discover and exploit energy flexibility, and we are doing in different ways, valorize excess of potential energy streams, and we want to demonstrate all these solutions. So also the pilot part is really, really relevant. And by doing this, we hope to foster the creation of energy communities, which is quite a hot topic in the last, not only in the last years, but yeah, it regained a certain hype, I would say. Yeah. And you see in terms of modules, the structure of the project, we have a work package which is focusing on the digital solution, our package which is focusing on the development of the aggregation platform, our package which is focusing on the development and implementation of the flexible algorithms, which are indeed those algorithms to make production flexible. Plus, we have, of course, embedded in these work packages also the creation of the required cyber physical layer, so the IT infrastructure required to run all these tools. Yeah, and that's a summary of the work plan like I just explained. At the end, we have embedded all the activities regarding the integration of the solutions, the use cases, validation, and a final assessment based on the results for the technical economic assessment and the LCA. Any questions so far? Because that's all I have in order to give an introduction to the project. Okay, good. Then with not further detail, I would give the floor to the next project presenting. Which is it, Trineflex or Flex Industries?
In the order, it's Flex Industries, but Trineflex can go as well. So Flex Industries.
Yeah.
I'm here. I will be the one responsible for the presentation on behalf of the project coordinator.
Yeah.
So I share my screen.
Sure. Thank you, Ilaria.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so I'm Ilaria Bonetti, and I'm the project management officer of ICONS, which is the partner responsible for communication, dissemination, and exploitation within Flex Industries. It's a project that, as it was already said by Chiara, belongs to the same group of projects funded by the European Commission. We have also a big consortium. We count on 35 partners in 9 countries that are listed in this slide. We have Italy, Greece, Spain, Germany, Bulgaria, Portugal, Turkey, Poland, and Switzerland. It lasts 48 months. It started in June 2022 and will end in May 2026 with a funding of 12 million, according to a total budget of 17 million. Okay. The objective of the project are shared with those presented by Chiara and also with those that will be presented later in Trineflex. What we would like to achieve is to elaborate a flexibility assessment methodology for industrial environments, improve connectivity between the information and operational technology domains within the energy sector, deliver a uniform and secure dynamic energy and process management platform that can support process flexibility, promote clustering energy management methods to support local RES capacity and flexibility growth in industries, demonstrate and validate the solution in 7 real-life industrial environments in 7 demo sites, and design and test sustainable business models to enable an inclusive energy transition for energy-intensive industries. We are in fact addressing this specific category, so energy-intensive industries belonging to specific sector like pulp and paper, like cements, like pharma, because these industries are those that have a huge consumptions in terms of energy. And so far, the conventional production is based on fossil fuels, which of course create a rigid and isolated industries condition with passive industries that consume only, and there is no feedback, no grid services. So I would say an approach that is not beneficial for this kind of industries. What we would like to promote is a flexibility transition with a balance among the grids, bidirectional energy and data flows with grid services, an active market participation with new business models. So the companies will not only receive passively the energy, but they participate to the energy production, decentralized production based on RES. And to do so, we would like to implement a dynamic energy and process management platform, which could make the process more flexible and efficient, and the energy assets more successful. This would lead to a green, flexible, and connected industry. That is the ultimate goal that we would like to achieve. This is it's full of information. In any case, you will get the presentation later on. But to show you the management platform we are working on and all the functions that this platform will have, there will be a digital twin application, some external services adaptation, and each of the demo involved in the project is going to test different solutions according to their production processes. So we would like to test our application to a wider number of subjects, so as to get all the data that we need and propose this kind of approach to further companies. The project status is currently at this stage. We have conducted a comprehensive electricity market participation analysis at the demo site. The data collected revealed energy system insights and bottlenecks. We made a preliminary assessment of heat recovery, RES integration, and storage completed. We have finalized the design of RES storage and WHR solutions. We installed a WHP system at one of the demo sites, which is Mill Oil in Greece. We completed a sustainable assessment of the demo cases. We developed the key exploitable results and the IPR strategies of the cares that we have mapped. Of course, we promote the collaboration globally through scientific webinars. We have characterized 6 energy process modules for energy management, and we are now dealing with the module integration through collaboration. The added value of this project is that we have a combination of research organization and industries that offer the chance to work deeply to the development of practical solution and technology advancement that the companies, the industries can actively implement in their daily life. So we hope to reach the goal that I have described you so far. And of course, we have more chance to do it in collaboration with the other sister projects that share with us the vision towards an energy transition for these kind of industries. And that's all. We will have the chance to discuss further during the parallel session. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ilaria. Are there questions for Ilaria before we move ahead with the Trineflex project? No? Yeah, Said.
Good morning. I am Said Ben
Good
Zubai. I'm
morning.
from North in Norway. Just maybe one question about renewable energies types that are you implementing in this project? All sources of renewable energies, or maybe because I see that you have wind, we have PV, and maybe for biomass, for the others, what do you consider in this project if it's possible? Because we are working on some technology to integrate in Triniflex, and we like maybe to have an idea about the type of renewable energy that you consider in this project. Thank you.
Yeah, maybe I can jump in, Ilaria. Thanks, Said, for your question. I'm Eric from RINA Consulting, the project coordinator of Flex Industries. The RES system we are considering are mainly two. The first is PV panels, and the second are solar thermal walls mainly. So the two type of systems investigated, designed, and planned for installation are these two so far.
Thank you. Thank you.
I can
maybe we
further-
contact you after this meeting. Maybe
Sure.
more
Feel free.
Thank you.
What I can tell you, Said, is that on the aggregator platform side, it's quite, or the algorithm we are developing for flexibility, it's quite irrelevant which type of renewable resource is being used. Because of course, what we use is at the end a profile. So we need to know the energy excess or the energy need. So it works, let's say that the platform is made to work, I would say, in any condition of renewable generation or storage.
Thank you.
Okay, then we move ahead and yeah, we leave the floor to Trineflex project.
Hello, good morning. So I think by the two presentations, I will also be repeating a lot of keywords: energy, process, flexibility, grids, and so on. So yeah, so let me introduce myself. I'm Asif Mohammed. I'm from IMEN Technology Center in Spain, and I'm also the project coordinator. So regarding the overview of the Triniflex project, so this is all about transformation of energy-intensive process industries through the integration of energy process and feedstock flexibility. Yeah, this is from the same call as the two projects that we presented. It's an innovation action. It's a 4-year project that started in September 2022, and we are almost in the middle of the timeline. The total costs were 9.2 million with an EU contribution of 16.3. We are a consortium of 29 partners plus 2 linked third parties. We are spread across Europe with 7 EU countries, 2 from UK and 1 from USA. As it's an innovation action, it's worthwhile to mention the demo cases that are part of Trineflex. So the solutions from Trineflex will be implemented in 5 demonstration sites from 4 sectors, glass, aluminum, copper, and water treatment. So we have Veralia from the glass industries from Italy, Refial from aluminum industries in Spain, Esamor wastewater treatment plant in Spain, Halcor, it's a copper industry based in Greece, and we have ADAP, which is also a wastewater treatment plant in Greece. The goals and innovation solutions and the progress here. So, sorry, are you seeing my screen well?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, the first one is the implementing a digital retrofit process in order to collect and exploit process data. The aim here is to assess the flexibility potential of different demo cases and to implement appropriate data acquisition, storage, and processing, and also to exploit the untapped value of process data to deliver some actionable intelligence and provide more information. And here we are almost wrapping up this activity. We are close to 90%, and probably in a couple of months we'll be completely closing it. And the second one is creating a suitable environment for the predictive assessment of alterations in the operating conditions. Here the goal is to deliver flexible development frameworks which allows the development of multiple types of digital twins, maybe physical, mathematical, hybrid, and it doesn't have to be like whether a 3D environment is available or not. And here we are close to 70%, and there is, in terms of the timelines, I think we are making good progress here. And then the third one is stimulating the integration of new technologies utilizing adaptable digital twins. Here, the goal is to exploit the digital twin environments and simulations and perform a digital validation in parallel to the integration, and at the same time validating the models. And then we are focusing on deploying a multi-agent system for decision support system to maximize energy process and feedstock flexibility. Here we are developing several models for different technologies. Maybe it's a hydrogen model, or it's a carbon capture model, or it's a process optimization model, and so on. And here we are also making good progress here. And then we have alignment with the ethical values of the European Commission and the principles of the twin and just transition. Here we are focusing around analyzing local dimensions of each site, engaging citizen engagement, open science actions, citizen science actions, trying to build some dedicated capacity building activities, address workplace safety and well-being using through OHSC protocols, trying to deliver a general equality plan addressing context-specific and region-specific challenges. We are making progress here as well. So, and the last one is to demonstrate flexible and sustainable operation in energy intensive industries. So here is to maximize the potential of energy flexibility, trying to reduce fossil fuel-based energy consumption. The main idea also is to use these results and to enable the replicability and transferability of these solutions in Europe and the US. Yeah, we are just starting on this, at least in terms of the timelines. This is something that we will be more focusing in the upcoming periods. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Thank you very much, Asif. Are there questions for Asif? No. Okay. Then I definitely need the support how we're going to split in the three. I hope here Jacqueline, who is going to break. Yeah.
Yes, I allocated everybody. And if you are ready, I will send you to your breakout rooms.